Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disassemble this Utaker Stackable bed frame from IKEA. I also have a tutorial on how to assemble this bed frame, which I'll leave a link in the description below, so after you move, you can easily put it back together. All you need for this disassembly is a Phillips screwdriver, some pliers, and a 3/8 inch Allen key. If you want to speed up the assembly process, then you can also use a drill with the Phillips bit. For this disassembly, you need to repeat these steps I'm about to show you for the other frame as well. So the first step is to unscrew these 8 screws and put all the bits and pieces into a plastic bag so you don't lose them in the move. Now you can take off the slatted bed base. Then flip the frame over like this. Next, unscrew these 4 screws that are holding the middle support piece in place. Now if you want, you can unscrew these 3 screws, but it's not necessary. Then grab your Allen key and unscrew each wheel lock. For this side, I found that alternating half turns makes this process easier. Now disconnect the footboard. Next, you can either put some tape over the wheel locks so you don't lose them in the move, but I recommend either hitting them out with a bit of force or using some pliers. I find that needle nose pliers work better than regular pliers in this step. Now pull out any exposed dowels. Then with the Allen key, unscrew both wheel locks and separate each leg piece. Now pull out the wheel locks and exposed dowels and unscrew these screws with your hand. Now go to the other side with your Allen key and unscrew this wheel lock, and separate the sideboard from the headboard. Now pull out the wheel lock, these two dowels, and unscrew the screw with your hand. Then with your Allen key, unscrew both wheel locks using alternating half turns. After doing so, separate both pieces like this. Next, pull out both wheel locks, this dowel, and unscrew these screws with your hand. Then with your Allen key, unscrew both wheel locks and separate each leg piece. Now pull out both wheel locks and exposed dowels and unscrew these screws with your hand. So now you're done with disassembling the Utaker Stackable bed frame from IKEA. Again, if you want to reassemble the frame, I'll leave a link in the description below. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.